little buddy. But you can come too.
I can't look.
We've got to get under that sub so we can push it back up. So close.
Rubble, you all right?
I'm okay, Ryder. I stopped the sinking sub, but I can't push it back up. My rig's stuck. Nice try, little putty, but I don't think you can lift this sub either.
No, but the Whale Patroller can. Calling all Aqua Pups. We need you. You too, Coral. Better suit up.
Do we have any long tethers on board? Great! If everyone can attach them to the sub, the Whale Patroller can pull it out of the trench.
Won't our rides get stuck like Rubble's?
Not if you ride something smaller. Coral, think your fish friends could help us out?
Oh yeah, they'll totally lend a hand. Or a flipper. Come on! Our fantastic new rides are here.
They're just like our submarine.
Anyone have any tips on how to ride a dolphin?
Yeah, never mind.
All right, pups, grab a tether and get going.
Uh-oh, I've got a sinking feeling this sub is not done sinking.
That's it. You can do it.
Looks like Coral needs a little help. Full speed hammerhead! We got it! Great job, buddy! Ruff! Autopilot! See you up there, sub!
We got the last one, Ryder.
The sub is good to go.
Great work, pups. Robodog, bring it up, please. Nice and easy.
Oh! Drill! That should do it!
Good work, pups.
Oh, look! He's back with his pod.
We want to say goodbye to Gnarly.
Bye, Gnarly! And whenever you're in trouble, just for help.
We have to fix that base of the support column first.
Good plan. But how do I get there? It's in the water.
Zuma, can you give Rubble a big rig piggyback?
Hop aboard. Thanks for the lift, Zuma. Anytime, Rubble.
Rocky, can you get a bag of cement from Rubble's truck and get it to Marshall?
Coming right up. Ruff! Up that claw!
I'm really digging your work, Rubble Dude. Thanks. These big chunks should help rebuild the base.
Marshall, you're up, big truck pup.
Concrete coming up.
Great work, everyone. It was a solid plan, Ryder. And now we have a solid support. Okay, everyone. It's safe to drive off the bridge.
That'll relieve some of the pressure, like letting air whoosh out of a big balloon. It won't last long, though. Better hurry, Chase. I've got an idea. Ruff! Winch! It worked! The fish are going!
Good work, pups! Come back quick! That rumbling is connected to the big volcano on the island. We have to help Marshall and the others fast before it erupts.
Yikes! Maynard's in big trouble! Marshall, help me with this palm tree! What are they doing? Dude, do you really think?
Yep, they're going surfing.
Hang on, Marshall! We're gonna catch some air!
If we hit that lava, the tree will burn up.
We need some way to jump it!
What about a kickflip?
I haven't done one in years, but I'll give it a whirl!
Hooray! We did it!
Awesome!
Looks like the volcano's gone back to sleep.
Thanks for coming to the rescue, Ryder!
Mahalo for your help.
Just remember, whenever a reunion is ruined by a rumbling volcano, just yell for Kukua.
Fantastic news, Moby! The Aqua Pups are here!
I think this hammerhead shark likes to look at my ride. Remind you of anyone you know?
Here's the trench, pups, and there's the reef.
Dude, it's so pretty.
Pretty fragile, too, so we can't let anything heavy hurt the fish or crush the reef at the bottom. Okay, Rubble, let's get that hatch open, but be careful.
Ruff, grab her. Easy does it, easy does it.
That hatch should be open soon. Whatever this thing is, it sure is stuck. Moby, what are you doing? Nothing.
Whoa! Oops. Sorry, Coral. Can't get you out this way.
There's gotta be another way out. Zuma, see what you can find with your sonar.
Sure thing, Ryder. Rough sonar!
I see another hatch. Right there, but it's blocked by a rock. Quick, Rubble, move that rock away from the sub.
Rubble on the double. Now that's more like it.
Oh no! If the dam breaks, Adventure Bay could get washed away!
Don't worry, Mayor Goodway. The big truck pups will fix the dam. No way Adventure Bay floods on our watch. Skye, Marshall, Chase, and Zuma, we need you and your big trucks right away. No job's too big for these big truck pups, but there's no time to waste.
Big truck deploy!
Awesome job, Al! Now to make fresh concrete. Rubble, Marshall, get your trucks ready to rock. Ow, ow! Ruff! Big truck deploy!
Ready to add water, Marshall.
Ruff! Big truck deploy! One mushy mix coming up.
This high-speed stirrer will turn it into super sticky concrete.
Great job, Pops. Now to put our patch in place. Skye, use your jet to position the girders around the leak in the dam.
I get it! Like a frame! Big truck deploy!
We've got to move fast, pups. Marshall, spray concrete onto the leak. Then, lift those heavy blocks into the frame.
A really big patch. 10-4. Perfect! Now that's a patch any trucker would be proud of.
Oh, you big truck pup saved Adventure Bay from a terrible flood! I give your handiwork an A+.
Good idea, Robo-Dog. The whale tail could definitely be tightened up. I'm sure glad that Robo-Dog's waterproof.
The Aqua Pups left their big sub alone? Why, anyone could just wander aboard. Come on, McSquiddly, let's wander! Bow wow wee, what a ride! I bet it comes with all kinds of goodies. Wonder what this is for. Boring. Do any of these gizmos shoot out treats?
Even better! McSquiddly, we have ignition!
Look! Robo-Dog made some friends!
Aw, that's nice. Okay, pups, let's get started on this net.
On it, Ruff! Hydro launcher!
Ruff! Claw arm!
Thanks so much, Ryder.
I'm glad we're here to help, Coral. We'll have the rest of the net off in no time. Nice work, pups. It was easy.
No biggie.
I think the Merpups want to say thank you.
Oh, I love this song.
There's Turtle Island.
And look, the mayor's got a new ride.
I command you to...
Zuma, Mayor Humdinger needs a landing pad.
Coming up. Oh, landing pad.
I can't look. Oh, so sore. Oh, I'm gonna build the soggy, foggy, sore bottom spa, too.
I'll have these rocks out of our way in no time, Ryder.
A theme park would be nice here. Ooh, I'm going to Dingerland. What? Somebody's trying to take my claim. Oh, no, you don't. Come back, you pinchy flag swiper. Ah! A pit on my island? Ha! I didn't approve this. Or those eggs. Although I could go for an omelet.
I can put all the rocks back when we leave, Ryder.
Good thinking, Rubble. We don't want to change the turtle habitat. Now, where's Mayor Humdinger?
That way!
Come on, pups! It looks like a pit where a turtle lays its eggs. Uh-oh, the mother turtle isn't gonna like Mayor Humdinger in her nest. Rubble, use your crane.
Roger that.
Hang tight, Mayor. We'll get you out. Hurry, Mayor.
Oh no, that moving mountain doesn't like mayors. Get me out of here! Thanks for pulling me out of there, Paw Patrol. Being around that big turtle is, well, the pits.
No problem, Mayor. Whenever you're in too deep, just yell for help.
Now get me off this horrible island. I don't want it anymore. Oh, might as well hang on to these. Yeah! Oh, never mind. They were too noisy anyway.
Mayor Humdinger scared it back under the bridge. We need to save Farmer Owl, quick.
Skye, we need you at the bridge for an air rescue.
10-4, Ryder.
Okay, kitties, everyone snuggle in tight. Come on, closer. You're out of frame. Now, everyone meow. Cheddar!
Mayor Humdinger, move! It's not safe! They're gonna get crushed!
Not if I can help it.
breaking off.
And my claw is full.
We can't watch.
Mayor Humdinger! Mr. Whale! Get out of there! You're in danger!
Danger. When someone's in danger, honk away to save the day. Chase, I need your megaphone.
Ruff! Pup Pack megaphone!
Here goes everything.
Yes, we didn't get wet, and not a drop on my hat. No, my phone, my whale selfie.
That is one big rock, but I can move it.
Got it, Ryder! You better get out of there fast, Rubble. Draining water can have a powerful pull.
Gotcha! Reverse! Just need a little more power! Uh-oh! Wow, Farmer Owl's field sure is draining quickly. Huh?
Ryder, I could use a little help here.
Hang on tight, Rubble. We'll be right down. Zuma, Rocky, let's go, go, go! You got it, Ryder. Getting a little dizzy. Need some help. Okay, pups, stay back. If you get too close, you might get caught in the whirlpool, too. How will we pull Rubble away, Ryder? We're gonna need to catch him first. If I just had a rope. Or a hose. Rocky, I'm gonna use your truck to anchor the rope. Zuma, stand by. Ryder! Okay, Rocky, back up. Zuma, use your claws to pull Rocky back. Phew. Hold on, Rubble. Almost there. Are you okay, Rubble? I'm fine. And now I finally know what it's like to be a bubble at the end of a bath.
Rubble, help Winnie out of the mud. Zuma, I need you to meet me in the swamp.
Totally, Ryder. Let's dive in.
Jet ski mode. Life jacket deployed.
Horrible. This riding jacket was brand new.
Looks like you could use a lift.
Well, thanks, but I've certainly been rescued from far better swamps.
Woohoo! Who are we rescuing?
A filly called Felicia. But we've got to catch up to her first.
That poor pony can't stay up much longer.
No, we need to stop her somehow. Let's use those logs.
Check it out, Felicia. We made you a little raft. Possum rescue, Zuma. Thanks, dude.
Felicia, you're safe. Thank you ever so much. Hound heroes? No. Furry fellows?
Paw Patrol! Kinda dark underwater. Come on, I'll help you see. Woof, woof. Underwater spotlight. Woof, drill! This is different. I've never had to drill up before. I can't get any closer without damaging the flounder. You're right. Rocky, your turn.
As long as my scuba stuff's keeping me dry, I'm ready.
Dog and the Sea Patroller will finish the job. Check out our new icebreaker. Now that the Flounder is safely detached, this icebreaker will create a path to the Flounder.
Rubble Dog, forward!
Hey, way to go!
Okay, Robodog, let's turn around and lead the Flounder out.
Woohoo! We're right behind you.
That is bad, no?
Yes, I'm afraid the engine's frozen.
If they don't move soon, the water will turn to ice again. If you need an extra set of paws, I'm here.
Thanks for asking, Everest. But right now, I need all the underwater vehicles to move the Flounder out. And fast!
I wish I could go underwater and help.
Okay, Rocky and Rubble, I need you to push the Flounder. And Zuma, you have the tougher job. I need you to lead the way and use your sub to pull the bow.
Totally on it!
On the double!
Let's hustle before the ice freezes up again.
Golly, this certainly is special service.
Rubble, fly into the crevice and bring the mares up one at a time.
2 mares coming up. Let's get you guys out of here.
Oh, thank goodness you're here! My little chickie poo was very worried.
Me first.
Ryder, they landed on the shore and they came down really hard.
Did you hear that? We better get back on solid ground, and fast! I'll save you, Chickaletta! Oh, thank goodness you're safe, my little chickie snookums! Mwah, mwah, mwah!
Don't worry, mares. The Paw Patrol will get you back to shore.
The wind, it's blowing us out to sea. Oh, and I get seasick.
These Arctic winds can shift fast. The mares are in danger.
Yeah, they're headed out to open water and could drift away.
I'd grab that ice with my grappling hook, but they're too far out.
I know, Zuma. Zuma, we need you.
Let's dive in.
Oh, it's so chilly!
I'll say I'm freezing. Ooh, good thing I brought my battery-powered blanket. At least I'll be warm while the Paw Patrol takes its sweet time.
Zuma, the mares are stuck on that ice floe. We need you to push it back to shore.
I've totally got this, dude.
What's happening? Oh, it's your electric blanket! Oh, turn it off!
Oh no! Oh no!
Zuma! What are you doing?
I'm taking you on a little ride.
Faster, faster! Nobody likes a soggy hamburger.
Everest, think you can grab it now?
Yep. Arf! Grappling hook.
Hurry, my tootsies are getting wet.
Oh, thank you, Paw Patrol!
They're coming from everywhere.
Look out!
Oh no!
Oh no! Now the tentacles have the Sea Patroller too!
I've got Ryder. You rescue Captain Turbot.
You got it! I'm coming, dudes!
It's tickle time!
Oh no! It's gonna drop me in the water!
I'm coming!
Thanks, Marshall. Ryder, this is tough! These tentacles keep getting in the way! I can't get to Captain Turbot!
Maybe we can scare them off. Rubble Dog, give them a blast of the horn.
Uh-oh, my boat is still sinking.
Hurry, Rubble. Use your crane to get him.
You got it, Ryder! Oh, crane!
Captain. The pups and I will do everything we can to raise the flounder back up.
Please, I can't bear to be without my boat.
Zuma, Rubble, take Captain Turbot back to Adventure Beach. Maybe the party will cheer him up.
Aye, aye, Captain Ryder.
I'll try, though I doubt my smile will come up until my boat does.
Sub-Patroller is on a roll!
I don't see the diving bell or a whale. Any luck there, Chase?
Hold on. The sonar found something.
Hey! Yeah! Rubble! And Zuma!
Wait! I see a third something, and it's big. Whale size.
Up ahead, to the left. If the whale's here, then the diving bell must be close.
Cool! Yes!
Hang on! Follow us, pups! We found the whale!
Ryder, I think the whale found us. Whoa! He's ginormous!
And he'll lead us right to the turbots. Let's go!
Hooray! Help is here!
And the whale is here too.
Hold on, Captain! We'll get you!
Hurry, Ryder! Underwater and upside down is undoubtedly unpleasant.
Ryder, is the whale trying to eat the diving bell?
No, its mouth is closed, but it's still blocking our way to the bell. Zuma, see if you can get that whale to move.
Hey, whale! Ever play tag? Bet you can't catch me, dude!
Okay, Rubble, time to move in.
Thanks for the help, Wally. But I think this is gonna need some heavy machinery.
Whoa! Is this turbulent trauma making your tummy all topsy-turvy too?
No, no, no. I ate too many escargots. Excusez-moi.
Okay, Rubble, you're gonna need one more big push.
Rubble on the double.
Oh, thanks, Rubble. We're back in business. Now let's go. My kitties can't swim.
We've got this. Chase, come to the culvert. Rocky, get to the cliffs overlooking the bay. Fast.
Chase is on the case.
Green means go.
I'm ready, Ryder. So am I.
Great. Now anchor your zip line to that pipe out there.
Ruff! Zip line.
Rubble, you're gonna scoop that sidecar out of the bay with your rig.
How will I get there?
By swinging down, connected to Wildcat and Chase.
Ram! River claws. Ruff! Winch!
Watch.
Meow, meow. You're welcome. We kitty cats need to stick together. Now let's go up. Detach! Rocky, special delivery. Gotcha! Yeah!
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s official Rubble YouTube channel and watch PAW Patrol on Nickelodeon and everywhere you can find Nick Jr.